Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the BaByliss Air Style 1000. With this Air Style 1000, you can dry, smooth, shape, and curl your hair like a salon pro. This Air Style 1000 is easy to operate, compact, and lightweight. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This Air Style 1000 comes with 4 attachments to dry, curl, smooth, and shape your hair. I will show you all of these 4 attachments in this video. Working with this Air Style 1000 requires minimal effort. It is easy to use and has a beautiful design. This Air Style 1000 is ideal for home use, traveling, holidays, and even the office. Its small size and compact design allow you to transport it in a bag or suitcase. It is very handy for drying and styling your hair when traveling. This instruction booklet provides instructions to end users on how to properly and effectively operate the BaByliss Air Style 1000. And it is in English and Arabic. Very detailed. This international guarantee is valid for 3 years, starting at the time of the original purchase by the first end user. This Air Style 1000 also comes with a heat protective glove, giving initial contact protection. And it comes with a 50mm volumizing or thermal brush for volume and shape. So, you can use this 50mm volumizing brush to lift the hair at the roots to create volume. This Air Style 1000 features a smooth blow-dry paddled brush attachment for a sleek and shiny finish. The Air Style 1000 comes with 1000 watts for fast drying and styling. It is a multi-attachment hair dryer brush that dries and styles your hair. You can use this conical curling attachment for soft curls and waves. Having curly hair adds natural volume to your hair. This Air Style 1000 features an advanced ionic system to control frizz and create shine. This Air Style 1000 features 2 heat settings, plus a cool setting. Slide the switch to the first position to select the cool setting, the second position for the low heat, and the third position for the high heat. This drying nozzle removes moisture pre-styling. Push the attachment onto the handle until it clicks into place. Changing the attachments of the Air Style 1000 is effortless. The Air Style 1000 comes with a 2.5-meter swivel cord. I think this 2.5-meter swivel cord is long enough to reach the outlet. What do you think? Guys, let's now test the BaByliss Air Style 1000 with the 4 attachments. This BaByliss Air Style 1000 gets the job done and is very handy for drying and styling your hair. As you can see, this Air Style 1000 has a compact design. Its compact size will take up less space in your suitcase than common heat styling appliances. To remove an attachment, you will need to press and hold the 2 buttons on the sides of the handle and pull the attachment away from the handle.